Hello! Today we are in Davenport, Florida, and the house we're showing today is the Aria by D.R. Horton. The Aria is a one-story single-family home with 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, and 1,600 square footage. There are 2 rooms and a full bath on this side of the home. On this side, we have the laundry room and the door to the garage. On this side of the home, you can notice the open floor comp set that optimizes the living space. Check that view, guys. Now it's time to check out that kitchen. The spacious kitchen island, the upgraded stainless steel appliances, a space in the pantry for all your storage needs. It's a stylish and functional space for sure. On this side of the home, we have the master suite, which is privately located in the rear of the home. Let me know in the comments your favorite features of this home so far. I'm leaving my information in the description box below for any questions you may have. It's time to go check the outdoor space of this beautiful home. Please give me a thumbs up. It actually helps me create more videos like this for you to enjoy. I invite you to go check my other home tours. I'm gonna leave the link in the video. Thanks for watching. I will see you on the next one.